Hello everyone and welcome to the Transit Nomad family. In this video we are trying to catch older transit vehicles in Bucharest, Romania in 2025. And this is how it's done. I've been waiting for a long time. I came here multiple times on different days. It's not easy to catch one of these. It's an older Ikarus trolleybus made in the 90s. Enjoy. I feel so happy I finally catch this. I tried so hard. this might be the last stop. Let's see. Let's see if the driver kicks us out or not. That might be the last stop, I think. Last stop? Okay, last stop. It does look like a very cool trolleybus. I'm very lucky to catch it. I really enjoyed the ride. I hope that this is not the end. I hope that I'll have more chances to enjoy these ones in the future. Kind of a short ride, but still better than nothing. They are currently phasing out all of these trolleybuses, and it's going to be pretty much impossible to catch them in the near future. Keep in mind that as an active traveler and business owner with experience, I might be able to assist you with trip planning, life coaching, and business consulting, with all the details available at buymeacoffee.com/transitnomad or through the link in the video description below. This is where you can also find lots of exclusive content on many different cities around the world, my secret tips, PDF guides, and the option to request a custom video on any topic that matters to you. Thank you everyone for watching, commenting, liking, and subscribing. I appreciate you being a part of the Transit Nomad family and look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye.